These are known as automatic backwash traveling bridge filters. 2 cells. Each cell by itself should be able to produce enough water for the city. These bridges, you see here, these blue bridges, they move up and down the course of these filters, backwashing the filters and or cleaning the water as they go. The sand media filters, they're only 11 inches deep. Old technology, you don't see these in very many places. They work fairly well. You wouldn't see anyone design a new facility with these. I think probably the minimum depth of any type of media you'd see in a modern facility would be 36 inches. We have 11 inches here. You can see we were doing some testing of these cells recently to see the condition of the cells. This isn't what you'd see typically, but this was just separated so we could actually keep the sand away from the work. You can see how deep the filter bays are. 11 inches of sand media go in these. We were looking to see if we could replace all or just parts of these. Given the time constraint we have on this project, we were afraid that the lead time on these is great. If we just said we need to replace a piece of it, well, Murphy's Law and my luck would be come March, we'd realize we needed to do more. So these are going to be completely torn apart and rehabilitated, just like we did in West Gloucester. So
they're going to be made deeper? Can they be made deeper?
They can't be made deeper here. They can only be made to be newer or new. They will be brand new. So you'll have brand new cells, you know, these separations. You'll have brand new rails. This is the trough
For the track?
Yep, and you'll have brand new bridges, controls, these bridges. If you hear these bridges move right now, you can hear them rack and creak, and they get to a point where they skip because they hit imperfections within the rails. And these rails are very old.
So this just scrapes?
This basically goes forth, and there's a pump. You can see it on that one better. That's a pump right there that sucks the water up. As the finished water goes through here, that falls down to the clear well. That side and this side. This is the backwash filter. This is the backwash trough. As it comes through, it sucks up the dirty stuff on the top. It's discharged these troughs. These troughs are discharged to waste.
So how high is the water level in here when it's being processed?
Well, that's another it's a very interesting question because of what we learned from the manufacturer this summer. Our operators have been running this place with less head over the water, over the cells, than the manufacturer recommends. They say the higher the water level, the better it is. You don't have the backwash as often, which will save us energy costs. The kind of the buildup of minerals on top of the sand actually help filter it. The dirty the top sand is, dirty, I mean more minerals on it, the better the water quality is at the bottom. So we're going to try to operate that completely within the manufacturer's guidelines as these things are brought back online, which we're doing in West Gloucester right now. It'll look like a much different facility. You know, the heating system within this place is broken, doesn't work. As you can see, that the rust right on. Very corrosive atmosphere in here. Your eyes burn in the summer. This place is operating with chemicals. Yes. It's high concentration. Yes. We have exhaust fans at both ends of this building here to try to get some of the bad air out of here. Even this time of year, just the smells in here, just from the organics and leftover chemicals are a little bit overwhelming. You can definitely smell it in here when you walk in here.
Is this a special sand that is used?
It is. It's a coarse media sand. If we weren't doing these filters over again, sometime in the middle of the winter they'd come here and they'd top these cells off, and then they'd disinfect the sand, pre-treat it before we actually put clean water to it. But this is a coarse sand meant just for this application. It comes in big bags that they bring in here, and they fill the cells in as needed.